Wow.
The line wrong and just kept going further and further down.
Having said all that, this could be out, Mandeep Singh. Has he taken it? Has he taken it? Has he taken it? Have we seen another stunner we have? Was that a superhuman? It's sort of. Look at that ball on his right and it's dropping on him. Oh, what a catch. Wriddhiman Saha. Take a bow. As good as it gets. That would mean Mahmudullah on his way back. Taken. Good catch by Wriddhiman Saha. Jabrail's gone to seam.
Oh, he's on it. Beautifully taken down the leg side and given. Outstanding wicket keeping. A bit of glove. Wriddhiman Saha, the replacement keeper.
That shouldn't have bounced that much. Labuschagne wasn't.
Now this was out though, Bradley. That is a smart catch. Brilliant stuff. Moods loves it. So does everyone else in orange.
Well, Maddinson goes after one. It's up in the air. The fielder going back. This will be a good grab if he takes it. And what a catch that is.
Oh.
Nick Maddinson is gone after an adventurous shot. And
Outside edge and a brilliant catch. He's hit at the wall.
That's up in the air and taken by Saha. Matthew Wayne is what? Blocking. Still 87 needed and Ashwin striking once again. That is brilliant. Brilliant from Wriddhiman. And what a catch. Wriddhiman Saha is pulling out of thin air. That's a sensational catch. Himesh Yadav once again getting that reverse swing, outswing going. And look at Saha fly. Yeah, Wriddhiman was like a Superman, wasn't he? Now look at this. Absolutely outstanding from Wriddhiman Saha. The ball was flying off the outside edge. In fact, took the catch behind him. No wonder Virat Kohli was pleased. A sponge.
Well, G. Wade is out. Stunning bit of work in close and combining with the keeper.
The ball into the bat pad's shins and it's gone to the keeper. He's just flicked it on the stumps as easy as you like.
It's the goal assist from.
Oh, the edge has been taken. What a catch. Finally an edge is taken and it's a brilliant one from Wriddhiman Saha. In a delivery he didn't need to play at. Nothing delivery, feet going nowhere. As a wide poke at it. Wriddhiman Saha. Inches.
पकड़ी है बिल्कुल जबरदस्त 1 2 3 अटेम्प्ट जरूर किए लेकिन उसके बाद अंत में Wriddhiman इसी दफा इस श्रृंखला ने आउट किया है